Hey everybody, thank you for watching my second vlog. I'm here at Mercer County Park, just getting a ride in, working on my, what am I working on? Working on my bike handling skills today. This park doesn't necessarily have any elevation change, but there is some really good terrain to work on your skills. Also, because it is so flat, you're pedaling the whole time to keep your momentum, so it really helps with what I'm weak at. So please strap in and enjoy whatever. So I'm gonna ride this section. It's a bunch of twisties. There's no real elevation change, but it really helps with bike handling and, you know, obstacles and acceleration and all that good stuff. Ride cut short. I have 2 flat tires. I'm hoping I get back to the car. This is awful. Not only am I stupid from yesterday, riding my cross-country tires with carbon wheels on all those rocks, I then went riding today, and whatever damage I did yesterday reared its ugly head. So yeah, I was going to put my alloy wheels on. Yo, how you doing?
Good, and you?
Good. Yo, how you doing? I was gonna put my alloy wheels on that had, you know, some like more durable tires. But here I am, fucking barely going. I don't even think I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna have to push. Fuck, this is embarrassing. Oh, man. I just gotta get back, that's all. Verbal meme. When you say you don't need to bring tools or any air because you're no more than 3 miles away from your car at any point. 3 miles away from your car. Verbal meme. All right, so I made it back. 2 flat tires. Beyond repair. Ride ended. So lame. Yeah, man, we got a race on Sunday, so I'm hoping that I can get tires by then. The tread ripped off, both front and back. Got one tread ripped off, so if I patch it, it's just gonna come apart again. So yep, so that's today's video. Thanks for watching.